Okay, here's another tutorial on automatic type name, type family. So for example, this one you have a multiple family. You have 150 to 100 sample. Okay, and this one is purely on Revit internal formula. So I created a video already for this one. So I'll just review. So this one, if I select, and then this is controlled by the flow. So if I change the flow to 50, the size also will change also, and the naming also. So similar to here, we change to, let's say 75. Let's check. So still is D2. Still it's within the range. So if I change 100, so is still is D2, and then 150 maybe. So a range of 150 flow, you will change to SD3, and you will also 250. So there you go, and this one also, let's say 350. So it will change, and the sizing also will change. So this is if I edit the family, edit family. So this is just a normal default family. Okay, it's a face base. Yeah, I will hide this one. So this one, if you check the formula, so this is the formula of this automatic. So you create, this is the family type. The family type is a shared parameter, so that you can place also in the tagging. And I place a type A text, okay, equals to SD1. Then I created a dimension A, B, C, D. So the dimension A is equal to 150. Then you are going to link that in the duct height here. So this is the formula. If flow is equal to type less than 48 liters per second, the duct height will be 150. Okay, so then this one, 150 numbering, you place it in the dimension here, a regular numbering. Then you link this one, type A, this type A text, you link it here, SD1. Then the naming formula will be, if A, this one, if A, dimension, a length of 150 is equal to duct height, if A is equal to duct height, this one, okay, it will be a type A, meaning type A is a text is SD1. So just this is the basic. No, because I'm going to create also a similar process, but we are using manage lookup table. So this family has no lookup table. Okay. Okay, close this one. So that's the process for this one, for the basic internal only, using formula. And also in the text tagging, since the type name is a shared parameter, so it will go also in the tagging. So where is it? Shared parameters. For this one, type is D3. This one, family type, shared parameter, and you place also here in the tagging, so that it will read also this is D3. Okay, so that's the first approach, the simple one, only using formula if statement. The other one is we are using manage lookup table. So again, similar approach. If I select this one, actually I will just edit this one. Let's say 300 by 300. If I edit the family, and the no need standard. Okay, so I'll just select standard, and then if I go here, air terminal square lookup, so air terminal square lookup table, I will just delete. We'll select this one, select also visible view, and then you change this one to standard. So it will not change, and then I will delete this one. Okay, I think file. So let's change the graphics. Selection, let's say I want to do this. Okay. So for example, this one. Now this is now this family is using manage lookup table. So if you go here, projects, is terminal. So this is the formula for this one. So if 801234, and if you have a duct height is equivalent to 150, then the air terminal, the naming, the tag will be, or unit name will be 81234567. So 81 you see here. So anyway, so this family again is controlled by flow. So if select this one, let's say the formula of this one is the same to here, but if we have a specific formula per manufacturer, then we can modify that one and customize using this lookup table. I think this one is much easier and faster if you have multiple here air terminals. Maybe you have also SD1 here, you know, numbering, and you can match also some of the column. So okay, so next, so for example, this one is 25. Let's say this one, the airflow, I would change 50. Let's check. So it will change the SD2 and the size also. Yes, Bixby. Cancel that one. Anyway, this one, let's say 100, 150, 150. So 83. Let's say exaggerated. Let's say 400. Let's check. So it will change the size, and as you can see, the airflow also will change also here. 150, and then this one's 400, 550, and it will compute also because we are using the correct system. The formula is using a system. So 1, 2, 3, and 5. So even if I change this one 500, 500 airflow, then it will change also. So 86. So they are different now. So if I change this one, you want to change the naming, you just edit the family, and then here manage lookup table, you can delete, and then in this one you change, so you see S exaggerated. Okay, and you save this one, and where did I place it? Okay, I think here. So this one, file, save as. I was just placed in my desktop. Let's say I'll place here, CSV. Then I will import that in my desktop. Open. So remember, we changed it to SSD. Okay. So if I apply this one here, okay, and then we load into the project. overwrite. Watch here the 80. It will change to SS1. So that's another process by integrating this formula in Revit, and then you integrate the lookup table. So I think you can also use this one. I'm thinking like any type of the family. If you have already a flow, maybe in DB schedule, also in lighting fixtures, so you can match all the columns. So let's go deeper here in the family so that you can see how I did it. So this is just the same. So here, so this one, you don't need this one anymore, because I already we are not using the default family here. Example, this one. Because we're using now for the terminal shared parameter tagging of type family of the air terminal, we are using the lookup table in here. This one also is linked to the DH here. So I'm just to explain. So where's this one? This one. Okay. So the tag is shared parameter text type parameter text. So it's telling size lookup, this one, look up, this one, look up, and then it will read here, meaning you're going to read the Excel. This is the air terminal. Am I correct? Look up, okay, and you read this column here. This so size lookup Excel. This is your lookup, and this is your Excel file. Yes, Bixby. Okay. So it will read all the column A here. This lookup, this open close. I don't know this what you call this inch symbol, and then after that, if there's no number, then not applicable, and then the formula go to the DH. Check the DH formula. So the DH, this one. So for example, this one, the DH is 450. Okay, 450 is SSD5. So that's why it's reading here. Anyway, you can watch lookup table. You can watch in YouTube. I just watch in YouTube, and also watch my previous video because I already integrate this one. So that's the process, and I think I use only here this one, these two only. I use only these two, but for the rest is still the default sizing. So I don't know. I hope you understand. So this is the managed lookup table, and that's it. We go back here. So it's SSD. You can just change this one to 80, whatever naming of type or terminal type and sizing. So that's the use of lookup table. I think in this one I will expand further for this integration of all managed lookup table. So I think that's it for the topic in integrating managed lookup table with the basic Revit family.